Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to class. I hope you are fine. Today our topic is very interesting point. I tell you a point about brother and sister. So let's start. They walked along to the bazaar to find and buy a little toy. She spied a pretty silver star. He wanted something for a boy. Star, she cried, her eyes open wide. No tractor, said he in a rage. That's not very nice, she replied. Then they glowed like lions in a cage. She glared at him a cold, hard look, but it made him grumble some more. Just then she saw a splendid book in front of them, right by the door. It's quite perfect, she cried out loud. So let's buy it for you and me. That's when her brother laughed and bowed. They bought it and went home for tea. Dear students, I hope you take interest and easily understand this topic. Understanding the point and answers the following question. First question is, where did the children go? Second, what were the children doing there? At first, did the children find what they wanted? Did the children argue? What did each of them do? Last question is, do you think they bought something good? So students, find the answers of these questions from the point. So students, start the next topic of exercise. This is very interesting topic, which is guess the following words. They all end in age. First sentence is for keeping tiger in. हम हर वो वर्ड यूज करेंगे जिसके एंड पर एज है, मीन्स AGE। ये तीन स्पेलिंग यूज होंगे, इनके साथ हमने एक ऐसा लेटर अल्फाबेट यूज करना है जिसको बनाकर एक वर्ड्स बनाना है अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस। फॉर कीपिंग टाइगर इन केज, word cage. Next sentence, found in a book page. Third sentence, great anger, rage. Money every week, managed. And last sentence is a wise man says. Again repeat these sentences. First is for keeping tiger in a cage, found in a book page, great anger, rage, money every week managed, a wise man sage. All words end with age. Next topic is verb. Answer the following question. Follow the characters. It is used for verb plus ing. Here we use verb with ing according to sentences or questions. First question is, what is the mast of a ship used for? What is the mast of a ship used for? The mast of a ship used to support sails. Next question. What is a castle used for? The castle used for tourist attractions and museum. What is a fishing boat used for? What is a fishing boat used for? Catching fishes. What is a hammer used for? What is a hammer used for? Hammer is used for general carpentry, farming, nail pulling, cabinet making, etc. What is a knife used for? Knife is used for cutting. Next topic is pronouns. Look carefully at the underlined pronouns in the passage below. Firstly, I read the passage. Brother and sister went to the bazaar. He wanted to spend his money on a tractor. She spied a silver star and wanted to buy it. Next to them, right by the door, she saw a book. She said to him, let's buy it, and that is what they did. In this passage, underlined words are pronouns like his pronoun, his is also pronoun, she, it, them, again she, him, it, and they. These words are called pronouns which are present in this passage. Next topic is listening and speaking skills. This is very interesting and easy topic. Work with your classmates, take turns to ask questions, give answers about the following. What is used for? A glass is used for drinking. A fork is used for eating. A pen is used for writing. An eraser is used for removing. A needle is used for stitching. A napkin is used for eating. A toothbrush is used for brushing. A cap is used for covering. A tin is used for throwing. A chair is used for sitting. A vase is used for decorating. A matchstick is used for burning. A saw is used for cutting. An umbrella is used for raining. A lid is used for covering things. And last is a paintbrush. A paintbrush is used for painting. This is very interesting and easy topic. Our last topic is use the following phrases in sentences of your own. First phrase is as light as a feather. Second, as good as gold. Third, as proud as a peacock. Fourth, as dry as a bone. And last, as green as grass. These phrases used in sentences of your own. Choose one of the phrase and use the idea in it to write a short paragraph about something. Draw a picture to it. For example, I take one phrase, as dry as a bone. In the summer we waited for rain. The rain did not come. Our garden was as dry as a bone. Then suddenly one day there was a rumble. The clouds became dark. The wind started to blow. The rain came down. Our garden is not as dry as a bone now. Like this, you take also any one phrase and use them in a short paragraph and draw picture too. So dear students, this is our lecture topic today. I teach you point, then we solve whole exercise. I hope you have all understood this lecture. Again practice of this lecture. Thank you.